Hey, what's up, everyone? I got Daniel here with me, the Director of Marketing at Prime Screen. So, Daniel, tell me a little bit more about Prime Screen. What do you guys do, and what are you guys all about?
Yo, what's up, Mark? Yeah. So Prime Screen, man, we specialize selling in drug tests, rapid tests at home. We're one of the top companies out there that is doing these kinds of stuff, selling POCT tests. We just have a new product coming out, as you may know, the flu tests. Yeah, so that's what we basically do. We're one of the top leading manufacturers for over 30 years now within both marketplaces in the US and China. So yeah, that's kind of what Prime Screen is. Our home brand, our main brand is Wondfo, but Prime Screen is a sub brand.
Gotcha, awesome. So, tell me a little bit more about how much the e-commerce side has grown since we've been working together, and what was it like previously?
Oh yeah. So before Mark joined our team, man, we were definitely not running a lot of effective campaigns or even having proper flow set up. One thing that Mark came in and told us is that we didn't even have the add to cart attribution set up, which is, the most important thing when it comes to email marketing. We essentially he told us we were bleeding revenue. When he first hit me with that, I didn't really believe him, but after, just working with him with just I believe 60 days, we went from 3K in attributed revenue from email marketing to all the way to 47K within just 60 days working with him. That was insane to us. And keep in mind, we were pushing around like 80 to 100K monthly in terms of revenue, and 50% of it came from email marketing, which was really impressive to us.
Awesome. And tell me a little bit more about where you guys are at before working with us. What were the challenges you guys were facing, figuring out the whole email channel yourself, or, maybe the time invested needed to kind of build out these flows and campaigns. And, what is it like now?
Oh yeah. So previously, we just didn't really have time to manage these email campaigns, as we specialize in a lot of media buying, things like that. But we didn't have time to really delve into retention services. Well, until Mark came in, he just completely took off email marketing from our hands, which was great, awesome. We didn't have to worry about it. All we had to do was just approve campaigns and simply review campaigns for any ads that we need, which was awesome. We didn't have to put an extra hand in managing that aspect of a Shopify channel. Because again, we specialize in selling on Amazon and Walmart as well. Shopify is another one of our channels. So, just having something off our hands makes it a lot easier for our team.
Awesome. And then quick question, how much time are you thinking about emails now per month? And, what would you say now since, you've been working with us?
Yeah, in the beginning, when you first start working with someone, you just, you're spending a lot of money on them. You're investing money in them. We didn't really trust Mark at first. Just, no offense to you, Mark. Just the first thing, we're spending a lot of money. But after like 3, 4 months of working with Mark, man, we don't even have to look at the Figma no more. We don't have to look at our ClickUp no more. Everything is just automated for us, which is the best thing ever. And he's shown us the results as necessary to really have that trust in Mark. And yeah, Mark is a great guy. Dahaus is a great team. Shout out to Jeffrey. He manages all of our campaigns and give us the on point updates every week. So it's amazing. Thank you, Mark.
Mm-hmm. Anytime. And then could you tell me a little bit more about how this experience might have been different from, previous agency experiences, if you have any of those?
Yeah. So before you, we actually tried email marketing agency before, and it wasn't the best because they were just not updating us the way that we wanted in the beginning. They just told us that they sent out a campaign today, but no report behind it. There's no monthly report, no monthly campaigns. Like, we were just kind of blindsided. We didn't know what was going on, but when it came to Mark, he gave us a lot of updates that was necessary. He gave us consistent updates, monthly reports, Loom videos, which makes it really helpful, especially for our team, since we do have like a really high corporate kind of ladder for approval. So every time he sends us a video, I'll have to send to somebody else to review. So it makes it a lot easier for me and our team.
Cool. And then kind of just the last question to wrap it up, for anyone that's sort of on the fence about working with us, what would you say to them?
I honestly say, hey, just take the chance, take the shot. Mark was great. Mark's great for us. He does really great work, and he takes pride in his work. Every time there is any kind of like last minute campaigns we need to send out, he's there. He sends it for us, like literally right there and done. So he's a great person, man. Great team. Love it.
Thank you. And then, yeah, man, Daniel, I appreciate your time.